Right, hey guys, I think I've got a bad wheel bearing. I'm going to show you how I determine that, and then we're going to do it. Be right back. Yeah, we're in the WK2, the 2015 Grand Cherokee. I don't know if you guys will be able to hear this. If you can hear road noise, it's not really road noise. That is the bearing that I believe the driver's side front wheel bearing. Okay, hopefully you can hear it, but I'm going to show you what I do here hopefully without getting pulled over for drunk driving. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, but if you can hear that growling, it sounds like it's coming from the driver's side front. And if I turn to the right, notice how it changes tone and gets to be less. Here, I'll do it again here. A definite change in the loudness of the tone, and I believe that's because we're taking the pressure, a little bit of weight off this left front and putting it on the right front. Now watch if I'm coming up to a stoplight here. I'm going to go the other way. It gets I'm going to get on a better road here. Okay, I got on a little quieter road here. I just put new tires on this too, because I was thinking that I had 63,000 miles on the original set, and I was thinking maybe they had more to do with it than they did with the road noise. There's somebody behind me now. Anyway, I'm just going to do some shallow ones. There we go. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's like a slight clicking sound, and the growl. You know, when I turn right, because then it's putting more weight on the left side. Hopefully you guys are getting that. Turn around here. And look at that thing. All the antennas on that thing. I don't know what he's got going on. More traffic on this road than what I thought there was going to be. So, right about 25 mile an hour is when it really starts growling up. Okay. Like between 30 and 40, and then, yeah, there. Now if I go, you guys can pick that up, but anyway, it's very obvious when you're in the vehicle. Now I'm going to take you to the garage and show you another way to check that if it's wheel bearing. Okay, over the past few months, probably longer than that, I've just been noticing some more road noise that should be for a vehicle with 60,000 miles on it, just gradually gotten worse. And coming back from Iowa this last trip, just the last couple hundred miles, really noticeable growl. And the tires have 63,000 miles on them, so go ahead and replace the tires to see if they, because tires can make a lot of noise too. So anyway, did that. Put some new Goodyear Wranglers on there, and the still, it didn't hardly help the growl at all. And the growl's just getting louder. So here's a couple of ways that I'm 99.5% sure that replacing the wheel hub assembly, and that's what it is in these. It's a wheel hub assembly with the bearing in it. So okay, what you want to do is turn the light on. Okay, what you want to do is jack it up, get the wheel off the ground so that it will spin. And I already did this. And so and then what you want to do is grab a hold of the coil spring of the strut here, and then spin the wheel with your other hand. And on the passenger side, I did that, and absolutely no vibration, nothing. It just spun. But on this side, I could feel a vibration in there, just a slight vibration. It was not. You could tell something is dragging, something is holding a little bit. So that's the other way I determine, besides the drive, that this driver's side wheel bearing's going bad. So anyway, now I'm going to. I don't make this too long, so I'm going to video replacing that wheel hub assembly. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. Love each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out my Amazon associate link below, and also I'm gonna get Patreon going too. So anyway, God bless. We'll see you in the next video when I've got this thing tore apart down here. All right, God bless, guys. See you next time.